This airdrop, known as docs, is being allocated to users on Telegram for the number of years you have been on Telegram. So if you have been on Telegram for 7 months, they are going to allocate some certain amount of airdrop to you. So in my own aspect, I've been on Telegram for more than 2 years, so I was given 2,278, and I have referred just one person, and you can see my total balance, 2,320 docs. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to know about docs airdrop. What is docs airdrop? I'm going to show you the pre-market on docs on different exchanges to show you that they are not playing, they are coming to stay, guys. And I'm still going to let you know the difference between docs and doc, because both are, the other one is trading currently, and while this one is just an airdrop, is not yet traded, is not, it has not been listed on official platforms. So I will also show you what the official community of docs have actually said about each coin. Okay, so without wasting much time, I am Crypto 001. What I do on this channel is I promote any cryptocurrency related content such as airdrop, future trading, spot trading, arbitrage trading, and so on and so forth. So if you like the kind of content I promote on this channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click on the notification button so that you will get notified anytime I post new updates. Remember, I don't post scam on my channel. Remember the last airdrop I posted, which was not coin, and it went well. Eventually everybody cash out. Some people that actually participated on it, they actually cash out. So this is another one that you are going to cash out. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the content of the day. Okay, number one on the list is, what is docs airdrop? So if you should see here for yourself on Chrome here, it says docs airdrop is a decentralized token designed to add value and utility within its community. With a focus on community engagement and development, docs aim to change the way users interact with digital assets. It's backed by a dedicated team and a growing community, making it a token to watch. You can see. So as I said earlier, you don't need to tap, you don't need to farm. What you just need to do is to go on this video description, click on the link below, and register. Certain amount of airdrops are going to be allocated to you based on the years you have been on Telegram. If you have been on Telegram for 5 years, expect to have 5,000 docs. If you have been on Telegram for 2 years, expect to have 2,000 docs, and so on and so forth. So without wasting much time, let's go move on to pre-market on docs. I'm going to show you some platform that have already launched, have already started their pre-market on docs airdrop. As you can see, I am on Biggate. So Biggate, we are going to look for pre-market. So okay, you can see the pre-market here. We click on it. So we are waiting for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Open. Okay, it has opened, and you can see docs on top here. You can see Avel, you can see layer 3, you can see some other coins, you can see Hamster as well. So what we need to click here is, we need to click on docs and see the traded amount here. So you can see currently it's being traded at the rate of 0.008 here. Let's click on sell and see. Okay, the same price, so you can actually see it for yourself. So this means that they are actually coming for business. Okay, they are coming to stay. So let's move to another exchange. which pre-market is currently going on docs. On gate.io here, we click on the pre-market trading, so it's taking us to here, and you can see on top here you can see docs. So you click on docs, you can see everything is in progress. So you come down here, you can see the actual amount that is being traded here. You can see the current price is 0.0096. Some people are selling 0.01. Okay, then let's go to sell. You can see the same thing here, you can see the same thing on sell. Let's click on field and see the amount of, you can see the amount of coins that has been filled. You can see that people are buying, also people are also selling, people are buying, people are selling. So this is to give you a clue that this airdrop is a very legit airdrop. So you don't need to play with it, you need to take it serious. Okay, so I just say let me just bring it up here so that you guys will be able to participate on time. Okay, so you can see this for yourself. They said, important announcement, beware of scams and fakes. Dear Docs community, it has come to our attention that there are numerous scams and fake accounts circulating around Docs. Please be aware that we are not listed on any exchange at the moment. Important reminder, trust only the information shared in official channel. Do not engage with unofficial sources claiming to represent dogs. Stay vigilant and report any suspicious activity. Your safety and trust are our top priority. Thank you for your continued support. Official channel, you can see here, you can see for yourself what they just said. So please and please, this airdrop is legit, it's 100% legit. I'm guarantee you this, you are going to cash out from this. If you take this serious, you are going to cash out. Okay, so what you need to do is, please be vigilant, listen to information from the official platform. Okay, apart from the pre-market that is legit, others action that claims to list docs is not legit. Okay, so that someone will not scam you of your hard-earned money. Okay, so just stay tuned. So if you like this kind of updates, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button because I'm going to be dropping videos like this for you guys. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching.